guys, let's all look at Permission to Dance by BTS. This is a K-pop version, definitely a lot easier, and I also curated, try to make it make this riff in this way possible, because I love this riff of the song. Which is pretty easy, very nice. I got tabs for you. Before that, if you subscribe, you're gonna have my channel a lot. No further delay, we got the K-pop on fret 4. All the chords are very easy, so let's quickly have a look at them. The first chord is C major, mute 3 to open first open. E major 0 2 2 1 0 0. A minor, mute open second first open. F major 1 3 3 2 1 1. You can play this in an easy way. Mute 3 2 1 1. What else? E major, C, A minor, G 3 2 open 3. And that's pretty much all the chord shapes. We got 3 parts to learn. I'm going to divide the song in 3 ways. We got verse, 3 parts, which is the verse, then we have the pre-chorus, then we got the chorus. Again, we have the verse, then the pre-chorus, then the chorus, right? So we're gonna have a look at the verse and the chorus all together, the main riff, which actually goes for it. So we have. So I'm playing power chords, no bar chords out there. So the first power chord is C5. Also, I already got the non-capo version, no capo version. Check it out if you don't want with capo. C5, I got 3 on the A, 5 on the D and G. And all other strings should be muted when you're playing a power chord. Only the A, D, G strings should be ringing for the C5 power chord. So I'm doing one down stroke, then up, and as soon as I do the down, I actually kind of mute that. So down, and then up stroke, and then the next down, I'm gonna remove my pinky and add 4th fret on the G string. So it was down, da-da. You see that? Down, da-da. So the up down is together, it's not separate, it's together. Down, da-da, up down, da, da, da. Then our up stroke on this shape over here, which is 3 5 4. And then you have A major, you're having open A, 2nd fret on D, 2nd fret on G, and all other string muted. It's not proper to call it an A major, but it's more of like an A5. You do a down, up, and then you move on to G5. I got 3 on top E, 5 on A, 5 on D. Now the G, B and high E string is muted. So we got down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and then up stroke, up, and F5, which is 1 3 3, and you do 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So you get da 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 da. 1 2 3 4 1. Very nice riff. So a little bit slower. When you get practiced, accustomed to this one, you can actually make it a little bit more advanced like this. Now, make sure to master this main riff, and now we got the verse. So this whole thing, this whole riff just repeats for the verse. Now we have the pre-chorus, strum C, then an E major, then a F, then a G, and repeat that another time. That's a pre-chorus. So we got. So C, F. So it was very easy, the pre-chorus, and now the chorus. Let me just explain how it actually goes. So you just played C, E, F, G, C, E, F, G, the pre-chorus down. Then you move on to the chorus, and over here we're gonna be playing the main riff twice. So we have. Again. So 2 times, and the 3rd time you're gonna play a C, then an E, then an A minor, and then an F, and that's a change which we have. So for the 3rd time you played, and now 4th time again back to that riff. And that's the chorus. And next verse we have, next pre-chorus we got, next chorus. It's the exactly same thing. This song is pretty easy. We just need to master the riff, and we got some easy chord shapes out there. Even the string pattern, you have to do one dance, so you don't have to do any fancy string patterns. So this is really easy. So make sure you master this song, and also let me know how was the lesson. And if you just want any other song by BTS, and I'm always super fast with BTS lessons, as you guys know, might know. That's pretty much everything. Bye.